Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are doing garlic buttered green beans. So what you're going to need for this is your 14.5 ounce can of green beans. Then I'm going to need 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 cloves of garlic, or 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, and you're going to want to mince the garlic up. So I got the minced garlic here that I need to use up. It saves you time on the garlic and water. And then about a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. So that's basically the taste on those two. So you can adjust those to your liking. Alright, well, let's get this going and see how it all turns out. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes once we get this started. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do, we got this heated up, got it done. The first thing we're going to do is put in our butter and get it melted. So it's getting melted here. Make sure we got the there. Alright. Now that the butter is melted, we will put in the garlic. And we'll cook the garlic for it to be flavorful and starting to brown. So that shouldn't be too long. Already smells really good. Alright, so that's got it starting to brown there. So next thing we do, we'll put in our green beans and get them stirred in. Then our salt and pepper. So there we go. We'll just get this stirred. And get it all nice and mixed in. Alright, what we're going to want to do here is we're just going to turn the heat down just a little bit and let these let it simmer for roughly about 10 minutes, and just to get the kind of liquid to boil down. You want to stir it occasionally as well. So, alright guys, well, I'll go ahead and take that, and I'll see you in a few minutes when this is all done, and then we'll give this a try. So, I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay guys, so we're all done here. So look at that, it looks good. It's all, pretty much the liquids are all gone. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the bowl here. This smells so good, guys. Smelled good while it was cooking. So, we're just going to put it in here. And, alright. There we go. Let's put that over here to cool. That there. Alright. So you can see, there we go. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It smells really good. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try here. Oh my gosh. This tastes really good. You got a good garlic flavor and the pepper. Now, the salt just brings everything else out. It works really good together. Butter. Nice buttery taste. Everything works together perfectly for a good taste here. So, again guys, this is garlic buttered beans, green beans. So, if you had something similar, take time to comment below, or just comment in general, something good, if you liked it, or if you tried it and didn't like it. Now if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get a cooking video out on Saturdays. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure videos as well. So if you subscribe, you get notifications for those. And just hit the bell too. Okay guys, well, I'll see you on the next video. And I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you.